Hello everyone, this is Rafael Pinzon. Today is June 30th, 2025, and welcome to the class. Today we're going to talk about organizing your space, your mind, and your thoughts. That might help to stay calm and stay organized, and it might help to keep us at peace. So let's look at the video and see what you think, and let's talk about it over the phone later on today. Have a wonderful time.
Hey there, friends. Today, let's talk about something super important: beating anxiety and avoiding relapse by organizing your mind. Sounds powerful, right? First off, an organized mind helps you feel in control. When your thoughts are scattered, anxiety creeps in. But by structuring your day and planning ahead, you create a mental roadmap. This makes your brain say, hey, I've got this. Now, how do you start? Begin with a morning routine. It sets the tone for your entire day. Even something as simple as making your bed can create a sense of accomplishment. Next, let's talk about journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings helps you process them. It's like a brain dump, freeing up mental space and reducing anxiety. Another tip: prioritize your tasks. Break them down into manageable chunks. This way, you're not overwhelmed by a huge to-do list. Focus on one task at a time and celebrate your progress. Also, don't forget self-care. Schedule time for activities that relax and recharge you. Whether it's a walk in the park, reading, or meditating, make it a priority. Finally, remember, it's okay to seek help. Talk to friends, family, or a professional if you need support. You're not alone in this journey. So start organizing your mind today. Small steps can lead to big changes. And trust me, your future self will thank you. Stay positive, stay organized, and beat that anxiety. You've got this. See you in the next video.